Welcome back to my channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world today. We're diving deep into a true legend that has returned with a modern twist, the 2020 Toyota Land Cruiser. This iconic SUV has a rich history of rugged durability and off-road prowess, and the 2025 model keeps that legacy alive while incorporating cutting-edge technology and a fresh design. If you're a fan of adventure, performance, and luxury wrapped in one, then stick around because this Land Cruiser has a lot to offer right off the bat. The 2025 Land Cruiser makes a strong impression with its bold and muscular exterior. Toyota has gone for a blend of classic Land Cruiser toughness with a sleek modern edge. The front grille is large and imposing, flanked by slim LED headlights that provide excellent visibility in all conditions. The squared-off wheel arches and sculpted body lines reinforce its off-road credentials, while giving it a more refined and aerodynamic profile. It's a vehicle that looks just as comfortable climbing rocky trails as it does pulling up to a luxury resort. Toyota has introduced several new color options this year, including a striking desert sand and a deep midnight black catering to both adventure enthusiasts and those seeking a touch of elegance under the hood. The 2025 Land Cruiser delivers impressive power and efficiency. Toyota has equipped this beast with a 3.5L twin-turbo V6 engine, producing around 49 horsepower and 479 lb-ft of torque. This engine is paired with a smooth shifting 10-speed automatic transmission, providing ample power whether you're cruising on the highway or tackling challenging off-road terrain. And for those who crave even more efficiency without sacrificing performance, there's also a hybrid powertrain option, delivering a perfect balance of power and fuel economy. With full-time four-wheel drive, a locking rear differential, and advanced terrain management systems, the Land Cruiser remains a formidable force off-road, whether you're navigating steep inclines, rocky paths, or muddy trails. This SUV is built to handle it all with ease. Step inside, and you'll find that Toyota has pulled out all the stops to make the interior as luxurious as it is practical. The 2025 Land Cruiser offers premium materials throughout, including leather upholstery, real wood trim, and soft touch surfaces that elevate the cabin's ambiance. The seating is spacious and comfortable, with heated and ventilated front seats and ample legroom. In both the front and rear rows, Toyota offers both a 2-row and a 3-row configuration, giving families and adventurers alike the versatility they need. The panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, creating an open and airy atmosphere that enhances the overall driving experience technology-wise. The Land Cruiser is loaded with features to keep you connected and entertained. At the heart of the dashboard is a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. The system is intuitive and responsive with crisp graphics and quick navigation. Through various menus, a premium JBL sound system delivers concert-quality audio, making road trips even more enjoyable. There's also a fully digital driver's display that provides real-time information about vehicle performance, navigation, and more for added convenience. The Land Cruiser comes with multiple USB-C ports, wireless charging, and a Wi-Fi hotspot to keep everyone connected on the go. Safety is a top priority for Toyota, and the 2025 Land Cruiser is equipped with the latest Toyota Safety Sense suite of advanced driver assistance systems. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and an advanced 360-degree camera system for easier maneuvering in tight spaces. Toyota has also included a new off-road camera view that provides a clear image of the terrain directly in front of the vehicle, perfect for tackling challenging trails. Without guesswork, the robust body structure and advanced airbag system further enhance passenger safety, giving you peace of mind whether you're on the highway. The backcountry driving the 2025 Land Cruiser is an experience like no other. The twin-turbo V6 delivers brisk acceleration, propelling this large SUV from 0 to 60 mph in under 6 seconds, an impressive feat for a vehicle of this size. The 10-speed automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, ensuring smooth power delivery at all speeds. Whether you're towing heavy loads or climbing steep grades, the Land Cruiser feels composed and capable on the highway. The ride is exceptionally smooth thanks to an advanced suspension system that absorbs road imperfections with ease. Yet when the pavement ends, the Land Cruiser truly shines. Its multi-terrain select system offers customizable drive modes for mud sand, rock and snow adjusting power distribution, and traction control settings to match the conditions, with an impressive ground clearance and robust skid plates protecting the underbody. There are very few places. This SUV can't go. Fuel efficiency is another area where the 2025 Land Cruiser stands out. Despite its powerful engine and rugged capabilities, Toyota has optimized the powertrain for better fuel economy. The hybrid model offers even greater efficiency without sacrificing performance, making it a compelling option for those who want to reduce their environmental impact. While enjoying the thrill of off-road exploration in terms of practicality, the Land Cruiser continues to excel. The rear cargo area is spacious and versatile, with power-folding seats that expand the available storage space. Whether you're packing for a camping trip, hauling gear, or simply running errands, the Land Cruiser adapts to your needs effortlessly. The hands-free power lift gate adds another layer of convenience, especially when your hands are full. Price-wise, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser offers tremendous value for what it delivers. The base model starts around $660. While fully loaded variants with all the bells and whistles can reach upwards of $85,000 given its blend of luxury technology and off-road prowess. The Land Cruiser is a worthy investment for those who demand the best of both worlds. Toyota also backs this SUV with an impressive warranty package, ensuring long-term reliability and customer satisfaction. So who is the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser for? If you're someone who craves adventure but doesn't want to compromise on luxury and technology, this SUV is a perfect fit. It's designed for families, off-road enthusiasts, and anyone who wants a vehicle that can tackle the toughest challenges while offering a first-class driving experience. With its return to the market, the Land Cruiser reclaims its position as a top-tier SUV that's ready for anything. In conclusion, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser is a masterclass in blending rugged capability with modern sophistication. It pays homage to its legendary heritage while embracing the future with advanced technology and hybrid efficiency. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring the wild, this SUV is built to deliver a superior driving experience. Toyota has once again proven why the Land Cruiser remains an icon in the world of off-road vehicles. That's all for today's review of the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Would you take this beast on your next adventure? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more in-depth reviews and the latest in the automotive world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with another exciting ride.